Unraveling the mysteries of weather speak. Spit rain. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to explore a rather colorful expression in the English language that's often used to describe a certain type of weather. Spit rain. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about quirky English phrases, this video will provide clarity on what this phrase means and how you can use it. So, let's dive into the drizzly world of English weather expressions. Spit rain is a colloquial term that paints a vivid picture of a very light rain. Imagine someone gently spitting. The rain that's being referred to here is just like that. Not a downpour, not a drizzle, but something in between. It suggests that the raindrops are sparse and light, almost as if the clouds are spitting rather than raining in the traditional sense. The phrase, spit rain, is believed to originate from the way we describe certain human actions. Just as a person might spit lightly, the clouds can be seen as doing something similar when they release small, scattered droplets of rain. It's a metaphorical term that gives personality to the weather, a common trait in the English language. This expression is typically used in casual conversation. You might check the weather forecast before heading out and say, "It's supposed to spit rain later today," indicating that you're expecting very light rain and probably don't need more than a light jacket or a small umbrella. It's not a scientific term, but it's widely understood in regions where English is spoken. In different English-speaking regions, you might come across variations of the phrase such as, spitting rain, or someone saying, "It's spitting outside." All these variations convey the same image of light, intermittent rain. Now let's see how to use spit rain in a sentence. I didn't bring my umbrella because it's only spitting rain and I'll be indoors most of the day. The weather can't seem to decide today. It's been spitting rain on and off for hours. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, spit rain. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression and that you'll feel confident using it to describe those gray, misty days. Remember, language learning is all about getting familiar with the unique ways native speakers express themselves. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you discover more fascinating facets of the English language in our next video. Stay curious and happy learning!